Well, welcome back to Man's Garage. Today's some exciting news. We're going to have our very first giveaway. Okay, giveaway. A drone, a complete kit, 2 batteries, brand new. I've only taken it out to see if it works. It does. And I'm going to run a few clips here. So let's get into it. The first ever Man's Garage giveaway. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to have a giveaway, are we? What are we giving away? We're giving away this kit. Okay, the Seafly Faith Mini drone. Okay, it comes in this beautiful kit. It's brand new, nice case. Okay, here we go, and there we go. Okay, this is what we have. We have the drone, the controller, 2 batteries, charger, props, screwdriver, instruction manual, everything in the kit. It's great. Okay, awesome. Let's take it out of the box here. Let's have a look at this little thing here. It's a beautiful packaged little drone, okay? And unfold it. There we go. Nice and light. I think it weighs about 240 grams. It's got a nice cover on here, a nice gimbal cover, and I really do like the gimbal cover. Battery, okay? Great battery. Puts it in. You get about 20-25 minutes of flight. Very good. If you want to know all the specs on this, go online. Go to AliExpress, Banggood, wherever you want to, even Amazon, okay, and find all the specs. If you really want to look at the Faith Mini, go there and check out the specs, okay? We're running this clip here, okay? This is the video I took the other day. And on the other side here, I'll show you a picture that I took with it. So it takes great pictures, takes decent video. It's great for a first-time drone for kids. You're out at the park, or you're in a forest, or you just want to, travel around, get some quick shots here and there. A great little drone for that. Okay, awesome. Okay, sub 250. You don't have to register it. You don't need the pilot certificate for it. None of that stuff. Just have some fun. Okay, so this whole kit. Let's fold this back up again. Yeah, nice little travel drone. There we go. Here we go. Put this back in here. So we've got this whole kit here. It's a whole kit giving away. And what do I mean by giving away? I mean exactly that. The only thing you have to pay is shipping. And here's the answer to that question. How much does that cost? If you're in Canada, anywhere coast to coast, the most it's going to cost is about $45. The most. Okay, this is Canadian money. That's the most. If you live on Vancouver Island or Newfoundland, okay, for about $45. In the States, United States of America, if you live in, I don't care if it's Los Angeles or the bottom of Florida, whatever, California, Florida, wherever, it's about $50 Canadian, okay? And that's it. It takes me about 10 minutes to wrap it up. 10 minutes to go to the post office. It gets shipped out by Canada Post, and away you go. The whole package weighs about 1.1 kilograms, and it's about 8 inches by 10 inches by 3 inches. So if you want to do your own math there and figure that out, I just did, and that's what it worked out to. So if you're in North America, the most it should cost you is about $50. Okay? If you're overseas in China, Europe, anything like that, it's probably about double Canadian money, okay? And we'll get it insured, and we'll get a tracking number and all that kind of stuff, and it's yours, okay? So if you want the Faith Seafly Mini, now the Mini 2, this is the original one, the Mini, I have no use for it. It doesn't fit in with what I want, and I've got too many other mini little drones anyway. So there you go, the giveaway. Now, how do you get this giveaway? Well, you have to answer one question. Okay, one question. Okay, I have 2 puppies. I've had them for about a year and a half now. Okay, the information is out there. Okay, very easy to find. What are their names? I have 2 of them. What are their names? Okay, I have posted it. There you go. The answers, do not put the answers in the comments below. Okay? Email me. GorillaMansGarage@gmail.com. Okay? GorillaMansGarage@gmail.com. Okay? In the header, put giveaway and then put your answers. Your dog's names are A and B. Okay? And then if there's a multitude of answers, we'll have a live draw and we'll go from there. Let's see what happens. I'm excited about this. See how it works. Let's go. Okay, I was going to do a little bit differently, but I figure, well, let's just give it away. And depending where you are in the world, the most it will cost you is about $50 Canadian, which is only about $30 American. Okay, so this whole kit now, and I'll put links, if you don't believe me, I'll put links to this for Banggood and AliExpress, are selling between roughly around $160, $170 US. Okay, so there you go. So if you can pick this up for 30 bucks Canadian, or sorry, 45 bucks, 50 bucks Canadian, okay, that's not too bad. And if you live on the other side of the world, then let's say that's 80, 90 bucks Canadian, which is about 60 bucks. You're getting this brand new drone for a third of the price, pretty well, of what it is retail. Okay, and no taxes. So there you go, Seafly Mini. Enjoy. I hope you participate. Look for their names. And that's about it. Okay, till next time, don't forget, hit that like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and if you feel like, buy me a coffee. Oh, and if you want to add a little bit to the kitty, I'm not going to complain. See you later. Bye now.